Hey guys, it's Zuko. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I am going to be straightening my hair. I actually just rinsed my deep conditioner out, and I'm gonna walk you guys through this process from start to finish and show you everything that I use and do to get this look. So if you are interested, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family, and we will get right into it. All right, first things first, I'm gonna blow dry. So I'm gonna take my hair down, split it into two sections, and then put one section up with a clip. Now I get to choose from this pile of heat protecting products, and I went out and got some new products just because I haven't straightened my hair in a really long time. So the first one that I'm gonna go in with today is the Ion Color Solution Color Defense Leave-In Protector. And now I'm gonna go in with the Redken 25 One United All-in-One Multi-Benefit Treatment. I actually ended up really loving this product, and it was kind of my favorite out of the bunch, so shout out to this one. Next, I'm gonna split my hair in half again, pin the top section up, and I'm gonna start detangling this bottom section because that's the section that we're gonna start with when we blow dry. And now we blow dry. So I'm gonna be alternating between my wide tooth comb and my Denman brush while I blow dry. I'm gonna start off with the wide tooth comb and then move up to the Denman brush to really get it straight and flat and fully blown out. Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. Okay, now I'm done. I'm just gonna braid up this section and then move on to the next and repeat all these steps once again. Okay, throughout this entire video, I kind of switch around the products that I use. I use different ones in different sections and just kind of go crazy. So for this section, I used the Beyond the Zone Smooth Criminal Blowout Balm. This product is pretty good. It gave my hair a nice, smooth feeling and made it a little bit easier to detangle. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna Okay guys, I'm all done blow drying and now I'm gonna move on to straightening my hair. I'm gonna be straightening my hair today with this Chi flat iron, and this is my baby. This flat iron has been true to me. I've literally had it since middle school, so it's probably time to let this one go, but this is like my favorite. So now I'm gonna turn my flat iron on. It heats up really quickly, so I love that. And I'm also gonna part my hair in half so that we can start sectioning for our flat iron. And I'm gonna part that half in half one more time so that we can have small sections. For some extra heat protection, I'm going in with the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Spray, and I'm just gonna spray this into that section and brush it out. Okay, so now that I have my section ready, I'm gonna grab a small bristle brush and I'm gonna brush that throughout my hair as I'm straightening it so that it can hold my hair tight and get me the straightest result possible. Using a brush like this is really beneficial, and if you have curly hair or even straight hair and just want a better flat iron, you should definitely try chasing it with some type of brush or comb. It will really up your flat ironing game. I try to only go over my hair 1 to 2 times, so I'm just gonna repeat these steps until I have a fully straightened head of hair.
I can make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you're tryna fight, just come on and give me that good loving. Give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah.
I'm all done with the straightening part. I just finished with a little bit of this Smooth Criminal Blowout Balm. I don't think it's really supposed to be like a smoothing thing that you put on after, but it's what I have, so it's what I used. Yeah, my hair looks really good. It feels super nice. It still feels thick and like has some volume to it, which I like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give my hair a trim because my ends, guys, my ends need help. I really needed to get a trim when I first dyed my hair. Like, I needed a trim then, and it's been months. So I'm gonna trim my hair today, but first I'm gonna show you how long it is. My hair is getting so long. Look at this. I don't have a better angle right now, but it's to my mid-low back. My hair has been growing so much and I love it, but now we gotta chop it all off because these ends, we can't have these ends. Like these, no. All right, guys, I actually ended up trimming my hair the next day, and I filmed this before and after for you all just so you could see how bad my ends really are. So this is the before pic. The ends are crazy. Oh my goodness. And here is after. So as you can see, a lot of those dead ends are gone. I probably could have cut off a little more, but this is a complete difference from the before, and I'm really happy with the trim. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching me straighten my hair from beginning to end. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, you should definitely subscribe and join the family, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!